Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add border in Google Docs Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Google Docs application on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to create new document. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and select new document. Alright, and wait, I'm going to view it in light theme. Okay, and unfortunately guys, the Google Docs doesn't provide us option to add border to our document, but don't worry because we can still add border to our document with this trick, and I'm going to show you how we can do that. If we want to add border, we can use table. So you can click on this plus icon and then you're going to select table and choose one row and one column like this and click insert table. And now as you can see that the table has been added to my document, and if we want to use it as border, we just need to make it bigger like this, and you can change the size of the table so you can use it as border in your document. Okay, I'm just going to make it longer and longer. Okay, and if you want to view the result, you can click on this three dots and then you can select the print layout. Oops, sorry guys. Okay, this is how my a border looks like. I think it's too long, so I'm going to make it short. Wait, I'm going to turn on the print layout, and then I'm going to wait. Oops, I need to edit it first. All right, and select the table to change the size, and I'm going to make it shorter. Okay, and let's see how it looks. We can click on these three dots and activate the print layout. Oops, yes, we can activate the print layout, and this is how my border looks like. Okay, this is my border guys, and you can customize your own border according to your document. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add border in Google Docs Mobile. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!